Welcome, fellow car enthusiasts. Get ready to feast your eyes on a true icon of American automotive history. This isn't just any car. It's a USA classic supercar, a testament to luxury and timeless design and pure artistry in motion. It's clear this beauty has been meticulously maintained cars, and a credit to FSF for the incredible visuals image. Please drop a comment, hit that like button, follow and subscribe for more exclusive luxury car features coming your way. Thank you for watching Exclusive Car Spotter. Press like, subscribe, and share to have more video coming to you.